All right, everybody. Still a little bit of review here. Savas, we're really doing lesson 7-3, but we have a problem here about logs that goes back a chapter or two. So let's remember how to do logarithms. If you remember when you're working with a logarithm, the basic setup here is that if I told you the log base b of x equals y, that's b to the y equals the x. If you're going to go back and forth between a log and an exponential problem. So we're saying here that 9 to some power equals the 65, 61. You can just work that out until you figure it out. Or I showed you when we were using Desmos how you can just type it in so you can find the solution. But just remember that is what a log means. The base to what power is the answer. The power is the answer to the log. And so I'm just going to put it in Desmos to find the solution, though, and to remind you that we just type it in. We can type in, it was, let's clear that other problem I was working on out of there, log. And if you want it to go down into the base, the shift and where the hyphen or dash is, if you do shift and the underscore, that'll put you down in to the base 9, and then to arrow to the right to get back up out of there. 65, 61. And it tells me if you did a 9 to the 4th, that would come out to that answer. I don't know that big number in my head, so put a 9 in here. We should be good to move on. Well, we most certainly were not. So let's see, why were we not? Log base 9 of 65, 61. Log base 9 of 65, 61. Log base 9 of 65, 61. That looks like what I typed in there. What did the directions say? Maybe I didn't read everything again. Logarithm base, change it to the exponent. B has to be greater than 0, x greater than 0. We write the logarithm expression in exponent. Oh, is that what? Was that we're supposed to select the choice below, fill in. Evaluate. It says evaluate. So what was my answer here? Wait, I lost my base. Shift base. Oops, let's go over where I'm supposed to be. Shift base, log base 9. The answer was 4. What answer did I type in? Well, who typed in 9 there? 4. Oh my goodness. Now you've just watched a big boneheaded mistake there. I just had the answer, didn't type in what I had. All right. Hope you guys are doing better than I was on that problem today. Have a good one. Just a little refresher there on logarithms. As mixed up as it may have been.